Okay, welcome to the channel, or welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be packing the stem bearings for the Springer front end, and we're going to be putting the Springer front end back on. We're not going to do the whole thing. I won't be putting the risers on or the handlebars on today, but we're just going to get the bearings packed, get the seals on it, and get it up there anyway so we can start moving on this. Okay, so packing bearings is pretty straightforward. I'm not going to do the video for the whole thing. I'll just show you kind of the basics of it. But you just kind of I use Lucas Red and Tacky grease. It's good for bearings. And I just take some and kind of put it in my hand like this. And there's a bunch of different ways you can do it. You don't have to do it the way I'm doing it, but you just kind of want to force all this grease into the bearing like this. And you can do it, just do a finger of it too and do it. You don't have to put this all in your hand and do it, but you want to just pack this as much as you can. And just kind of keep going around with it until it's all packed in there. And I'll have to wipe some of this off on the outside anyway, because so you can see it's getting all in there. So again, there's no right or wrong way to do this. Just, whatever you can get in the bearing. People do these different ways. All right, so we got that. So let me get rid of these gloves. Okay, so we got this seated on here. So let me just make sure that we got this right. Okay. So the small dust shield, there's two sizes. The small one goes on the bottom. This one is going to go over on the top of the stem. So let's move over to the bike itself, and we got to grease this other bearing up first. Let me grease this bearing. Okay, so we'll grease this second bearing. I'll do it a different way this time, which is, some people do it this way too. They just start packing this stuff in here. You don't really, as long as you get it in here, it doesn't really matter how you do it, but this way it's not going everywhere. But it just depends on what you're used to. I'm kind of used to doing it the other way, but you can do it this way if you want. As long as you get it in this groove in here, just keep kind of packing that in. You can also go to the top, although the top doesn't really have a whole lot of space to put grease in. You're better off the bottom, and you can turn this around while you do it. Maybe it'll help a little bit getting grease in there. But again, like I said, it all depends on what you're used to. I've done it both ways, but the first way I did it is what I've done, more than this way. But again, whoever way you want to do it, as long as you get grease in it, it's all that matters really. So we're almost done with this. Not very big bearings, so we're done with that for now. So now we'll move over to the bike. Okay, since I've already got the races in here, I'm going to put a bunch of grease up in here, because these fittings on the neck really don't do anything. All they do is fill the neck up with grease, which doesn't really do anything. So we'll get some grease in here. So we'll put the bearing down in there like that. And then here's the bigger dust shield that goes over it like that. All right, let's get this thing up in here. All right, so we'll let's bring that up a little bit. Okay, so according to the manual, there is actually no torque for this top bolt. It just says to do it until there's no more movement from side to side, and the fork turns smoothly. So I think it's probably tight enough the way it is, and it'll probably have to be adjusted later on when I do a swing away test anyway, once the fender and the wheel is on. So right now we can actually put that other piece on, which is that. What's gonna go over the top of it, which is nice. And then remember to tighten this bolt, because I did get a new part. Because remember in the video, I actually broke this. So I did get a new one. We're not going to tighten this down yet anyway, because I want to put the risers on here. So, okay, so I think that's going to do it for this video. I just really wanted to just get this front end on, get it off my bench over there to make some room for some other stuff. The next video we'll finish working on this front end. We'll put the risers on. Probably the fender and the wheel. I still have to clean the wheel bearings that are on the wheel, which I'll do a video on that too. Cleaning the wheel bearings that are in there, because they're kind of dirty and grimy. So, but they look fine. There's no pitting or anything on them, and the races look fine. So I'm not going to do anything but clean them and re-grease them. And then we'll put the risers on, get the fender on, start getting this bike back together so we can get this thing fired up, get it off the lift so we can get the shovel on it. So anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, leave me some comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.